Back forecast GBPUSD. Simple trading tips for beginner traders on October 10. Review of yesterday's False Trade Review of Trades and Trading Tips. The premium article will be available in 000010.10.2025 am. The premium article will be available in 000010.2025 am. Review of trades and trading tips for the British PoundA price test at 1.3369 occur when the MACD indicator had just begun moving downward from the zero line, confirming a correct entry point for selling the pound. As a result, the pair declined toward the target level of 1.3331. The British pound plummeted after additional US Federal Reserve officials expressed concern over inflation yesterday, favoring a more cautious stance on interest rate policy. This unexpected tightening in the rhetoric of the fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get